1 out of 4 Americans will be diagnosed at some point in their lives with an anxiety disorder. Currently, about 40 million people in this country suffer from anxiety. That is just a staggering rate of affliction. If this were a medical issue, the CDC would be working overtime trying to find out the solution and the cause. In my field, in psychotherapy, it's as normal as anything could be. And so nobody asks the question, at least no one I've heard, they ask the question of why are we suffering from a literal epidemic of anxiety and fear? So I thought about that, and here's what I came to. Anxiety, in large part, is due to my thoughts' tendency to need to know the future. Future is not knowable, but if I need to know the future, if my thoughts are addicted to certainty and predictability, how will I feel? Ask yourselves, consider to yourself, what makes me anxious? What gives me fear? And ask yourself, does that have something to do with not knowing with certain what the future brings? So the worldview in which we seek certainty is a dysfunctional worldview because quantum physics, and I'm going to explain the science behind it in a little bit, quantum physics revealed in 1927 that there is no certainty. None at all. But we keep seeking it. So I thought, we're living from the wrong game plan. That's why we have such fear and such anxiety. I'll share a story to amplify this. And by the way, when I talk about anxiety or stress, I don't mean normal levels of stress. That's fine. I can feel a little stress getting up here tonight to talk. That creates adrenaline flowing. But when stress turns into distress, we are not in the flow of life. Life's happening, but we're not navigating it.